Hey parents, are you looking for quick tips to make reading easier at home? Click the link in the description for a free PDF. Hi kids, I'm Teacher Stephie, your online reading teacher. Are you ready to read with me? Okay, let's begin. In this lesson, we are learning it words. Let's read and say the sounds together. Let's look at this word. Can you sound it out? Let's read it together. S, I, t, sit. One more time. Sit. It, hit. Let's say it again. It, hit. One more time. Hit. It, fit. Say it with me. It, fit. One more time. Fit. It, hit. Say it again. It, kit. One more time. Kit. Try to read this sentence on your own. Let's read it together. I sit on the mat. One more time. I sit on the mat. Good job. Do not hit the dog. Let's read it again. Do not hit the dog. One more time. Do not hit the dog. Nice reading. The hat will fit me. Say it with me. The hat will fit me. One more time. The hat will fit me. Very good. I have a first aid kit. Let's say it again. I have a first aid kit. One more time. I have a first aid kit. Good job. Let's read a short story using our it words. Listen first. Then you'll get a turn. I sit on the mat. I hit the ball with a bat. The hat will fit in the kit. Now it's your turn. Try reading the story by yourself. Let's read it one more time together. I sit on the mat. I hit the ball with a bat. The hat will fit in the kit. Nice reading. Now I have some questions for you. Let's see if you remember what we just read. What did the child hit? Where did the hat fit? Can you read all the it words by yourself? Let's say them together one more time. Sit, hit, fit, kit. Great job reading today. Come back next time to learn more CVC words with Teacher Stephie.